going on here, right? If I like this color and I want to do something with it, right? It would be very silly if I like start looking for it manually over here, right? Because like, wouldn't it be so much smarter if I can just like steal it from the image, sort of? And you can. When my color picker is open, if I move my mouse to the picture, look what it shows me. It shows me an eyedropper tool. The eyedropper tool, or it's really a color picker tool, depends. It depends what you're using it for, can pick up any color. You have to be very specific with where you click, because if you click over here, and by the way, wherever you click, the new color shows up over here. When I click here and here and here, I'm getting all different colors. So I can like look around until I find the exact shade that I like. And then look, now it's my new color. And if I found the color that I like, and by the way, it jumps to it, but I would never find it myself, and I press OK, look over here in my foreground, it is now set as that color, which is excellent. I basically just took a color from the image and set it as the color that I want to use. And so many times that happens, that you find the color and you just want it. Here's how you take the color you want. So